about the violence that has wrecked the state, with several having been reported dead. Now, Supreme Court has passed an interim order in the plea that they were hearing. This whole furor had arisen after a High Court verdict where it had said that the state must think about the recommendations of announcing Meiteis as an ST. And this appeal went to the Supreme Court today. Against that, Harish joins us for more. Harish, run us through the highlights of the arguments and the order.
Yes, Priya, the biggest highlight is that the Chief Justice Bench observed that not the High Court, but it was the President who had the power to identify and recommend a tribe as to be designated the scheduled tribe status. Remember, Supreme Court was hearing two petitions. The first petition is the appeal filed by Hill Areas Committee chairperson, and the second by Manipur Tribal Forum. They had challenged this. So Supreme Court has passed interim orders. Basically said that we hope new arrangement will be made in relief in terms of food. Number 2, rehabilitation of displaced persons. 3, protecting places of religious worship. 4, arrangement for ensuring that injured are provided medical care either at army hospitals or other suitable hospitals.
Yes, not issued notice, formal notice. What Supreme Court has done is, Supreme Court has not been swayed by the one-sided petition file from one community. I represent the Meitei community who is demanding for inclusion in the scheduled tribe category. Now we have been able to convince the Honorable Supreme Court that there is a picture to the picture shown in the PIL filed by the other community. The Supreme Court has been convinced that both the sides need to be heard, and in view of that, Supreme Court has directed the central government and the state government to file a status report regarding medical relief, humanitarian relief, evacuation of stranded people affected on both sides, not confined to one particular community, both sides, because we have been able to place our grievance also that there are many affected, burned down villages, deaths, injuries, temples, desecration, destroyed from our side, on our side also. So Supreme Court has fixed 17th of this month for the state government, central government to file a status report on the action taken within that 10 days period.
So how is the situation now? What did the Solicitor General inform?
Now the information given by the central government is that now slowly by slowly the situation is coming back to normalcy. There is no absolute normalcy right now, but it is coming back to normalcy. What has been placed before Supreme Court today is there are 52 paramilitary companies being stationed there to control the situation there. And I believe what the learned Solicitor General has stated, that the situation, given time, it will come back to normal. That's why 10 days period has been sought and has been by the Supreme Court.
But the petitioners also said that they want army to evacuate some people stranded in hill areas.
Yes, but that is a one-sided allegation. We have also placed our side saying that it cannot be on one side only, because people are stranded from the Meitei community in the Kuki-dominated affected areas also. This we have been able to convince and place it before the court, and the Honorable Supreme Court has appreciated it and said that whatever relief activity is to be taken by the central government will be for all the affected parties. It will not be confined to any one community. It will be for all the affected parties. Wherever it is necessary, the central government and state government has to make the effort for evacuation, for providing medical relief, humanitarian relief, food, whatever is necessary, whatever is required. And this, the central government has to place it on an affidavit in a status report within 10 days time. Thank you. Thank you.